dream. All your troubles are they or what they seem. Look around you, then you may realize all the preachers saw with their lies. And I might know about future, but then you still control the past. Only you know if you'll be together. Only you know if we shall last.
I don't see anything yet. 10-4. If you see something, contact dispatch. Will do. I'm seeing something strange. Better contact dispatch. Dispatch, this is Officer Vortex. I'm seeing two-dimensional portals from my view. 10-4. Do you want me to send backup? No, send out an alert to all cell phones and TV.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Twisted Cops Police Department and the Mobius City Emergency Management Agency. At 3:09 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, 2 other dimension portals have been spotted by a TCPD officer. Twisted Cops officers spotted monsters throughout the areas of Mobius City. All Mobius City residents, for your safety, go to the basement. If you don't have a basement for shelter, hide somewhere safe. If you see any monsters, do not interact or apprehend these monsters. For more information on this alert, please contact Twisted Cops Police at 402-232 jail or Mobius City Police at 801-355-2711 or simply dial 911. Stay tuned for more updates.
We have breaking news. Mobius City is half destroyed by some monster dinosaurs. Twisted Cops Police Department officers saw what they have experienced. Officer Vortex discovered the 2 portals from other dimensions. The officer contacts TCPD dispatch and tells them to send out an alert to the public. Now we have on the phone is Chief Whelan.
Officer Vortex discovered two-dimensional portals from his unit. Officer Vortex contacted dispatch as soon as he can. In Amarovio, Tails' groundbreaking discovery is a dinosaur in Amarovio. Now a third-party law enforcement and Team Rose founded a skull of a reptilian specimen. Officer Goldenboy founded a spiked reptilian specimen that was roaming southern Mobius City.
Thank you, Chief Whelan. We will give you more updates on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mobius City Police Department and the Twisted Cops Police Department. Phantom rubies have gone missing throughout all of Mobius City. They are the cause to open portals. If you see one, do not go near it. If you go near it, this will result of being in another dimension. MCPD and the TCPD State Patrol is making evacuation orders. TCPD is closing all interstates to other areas. Stay tuned for more further updates.
Twisted Cops Police Department is closing all interstates to other areas. Twisted Cops Police Department and Mobius City Police Department is making evacuation orders to the public. Officials said that the Phantom Rubies have gone missing, so please do not go near them if you find one. This will result of being in another dimension. Please stay away from them.
It's not that hot, it's sort of just warm.
This is Chief Whalen from the Twisted Cops Police Department. The tones you just heard means there is an activation of the emergency alert system. An immediate evacuation is ordered. Mobius City PD and the Twisted Cops PD has set up evacuation orders. All other interstates is closed, except Interstate 15. The affected areas of these interstates are closed. Interstate 10 to Rose Suburbia, Interstate 85 to Dragon Valley and Shangmu, Interstate 75 to Shanghu. All other interstates to other areas are now closed. The open interstate is remaining is Interstate 15 to Salt Lake and Ogden. Please do not go on these other interstates. The only remaining is open is Interstate 15. Shelter is available at the Mobius City High School, Mobius City Elementary School. Public transportation is available at Mobius City Transit Bus Station, if you have no vehicle. If you have a vehicle, drive to the nearest shelter in your area. If you get on these interstates through these affected areas, we will force you to get off the interstate. This concludes this activation of the emergency alert system. We will give you more updates.
Motherfucking ass! I'll plunge your goddamn ass! Fuck you, I'll plunge you, mother...
Shit on that thing!
Smell the motherfucker! There's plenty of shit on it! I just don't start the goddamn toilet, you motherfucker!
It stinks in here!
God damn! But you goddamn piece of fucking shit! Ruin the goddamn podcast!